Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open MOV file in DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first thing what we can do is basically we have two methods. So the first one is click inside the media pool frame, then press Ctrl L or CMD L to open the system file search navigation windows, or you can just right click right here and add new location, or you can just click here under where you see those videos, right click on it, and then you will see import media, and from here find this MOV file, and just like that you will have it right over here inside the media pool. So it's highlighted now, and we have it also right here now where we can use it. Then we have the second method, which is basically just drag and drop. So click on either the edit page or here on the cut page, it doesn't matter. So just use one of those. Ensure the media pool window pane is toggled open in the upper left panel right here. And what you can do is just simply open your file explorer and find it where it is and just copy it right into it. Just like that. And you will have it, this file right over here. And yeah, if a dialog pop-up displays stating the clip has a different frame rate than the current timeline, just click Change to dynamically match your project timeline grid settings to your target video format. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next